Alrighty, YouTubers, hello. It is Monday, June 25th, almost the end of the month, and it's that time of month again. Get some retro game goodies from the past. Use the promo code STOUT79 at checkout to save 10% off at RetroGameTreasure.com, I do believe. Yep, RetroGameTreasure.com, and the link is going to be below. A lot of cool stuff they send every month. Start your retro game collection, and let's see what they have. We might do a giveaway if it's something I already have. It's that time of the year again. FIFA International Soccer got the World Cup going on. Seen some good matches already. So not bad. Good condition. Legit. So like I said, every month you just had to fill out a queue. Oh boy. Load Runner. This is a Super Famicom. And we have here limited edition. Oh boy. Mystery. Boom. There we go. There it is. It's Legacy of Kain. Soul Reaver. SEGA Dreamcast. Really nice. Still got to dust that off. Turn that thing back on. Next we have another classic. Oh man. Miss PACMAN. Spent some quarters back in the day with this. Comes with the manual. The game's in nice condition. The tabletop versions at the pizza joint. Classic. There we go. And that's it for this month. So Miss PACMAN, this game, Load Runner. We got some FIFA. And now we have some Dreamcast. Awesome stuff. So check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. Promo code at checkout. Save 10%. The STOUT79. And that's it for today. You guys be safe. Have a good day. And see you soon.